Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this whole roasted holiday chicken recipe. This recipe can also be used on a turkey, the exact same method and exact same ingredients. So right here I have my chives, my thyme, and my rosemary. I know everything here looks like, a lot and intimidating, but I promise you'll be fine. In this other plate I have garlic, I have ginger, I have cilantro, I have lemon. Back there, I have roasted peppers. I'm going to use one whole roasted pepper, oil, orange juice, spices, and we're pretty much good to go. This is my Spicy Girl. You can find this on my website. The link will be below. First, we're going to blitz the herbs because you want to start breaking down those first, and then everything else will be easier and ready to go. This is probably the hardest part of the actual dish, you guys. The prep time was like 10 minutes or so, maybe a little longer because you have to wash the chicken, etc. But it's pretty easy to make. So now I'm going to add the garlic, the ginger, the cilantro, the orange juice, the oil. And you're just going to start just pouring everything down in there just like this. My pepper broke, so I'm about to put the other half in. So the salt. I'm using a tablespoon of salt. And I know that sounds like a lot, you guys, but it's not. This is the whole entire chicken that we're using here. So you really want to season your marinade. I'm also going to add 2 whole heaping tablespoons of Spicy Girl as well as the lemon juice. And now we're just going to blend it. And that's the marinade for the chicken. It looks so good. It's so pretty. And let me tell y'all now, this chicken was show-stopping. It was super delicious, and the flavor just seeped right up in the chicken. And if you make a turkey with this marinade, it's gonna do the exact same thing. So now I'm just gonna wash up my chicken. You guys know I wash everything. I'm gonna soak it in some apple cider vinegar and some water. My chicken is butterflied. I did ask my butcher to do it. He did it half dead, but it's all good. All you gotta do is ask your butcher to do it, or you can do it yourself. So now I'm gonna pour the marinade all over the chicken. It's so pretty. Like, look at it, you guys. I love this marinade so much, and I hope someone uses it on a turkey because I'm not making a turkey this year. So so you want to get it everywhere. I'm using a brush because I didn't have any more gloves, but get the marinade everywhere. All of it. Use the whole entire thing and get it everywhere. You can't forget the other side. You want to flip it over just like this and add the rest of the marinade and get it everywhere. I decided to make this marinade because I feel like it's fill proof. It's so, have a lot of depth and flavor. And it's tangy, it's savory, it's everything. And I just feel like it works well with all kinds of poultry. If I was making a turkey this year, I would definitely use this marinade as well. You can marinate your chicken or your turkey for a day or 2, and it'll be perfect and ready to go. These are the veggies that will be baking in the pan with the chicken. I have a sweet potato, I have a new potato, and an onion, but you can use whatever veggies you have. This is what I found in the bottom of my fridge, and so that's why I'm using it. So you want to chop it up in bite-sized pieces, and that's what we're gonna do. Now that I got the veggies chopped up, I'm going to season it with salt, pepper, and Spicy Girl. And that's pretty much it. I'm also going to drizzle on a little oil just to get things moving. Just a little bit, y'all. Don't kill it. So on my pan right here, as you can see, I don't have any parchment paper because of the presentation that I want to present. I'm also going to present on the same exact platter. So I feel like the parchment paper throws it off. And so you want to take your veggies and nestle them all around your chicken or your turkey, just like this. Again, you guys, don't be afraid to ask your butcher to butterfly your chicken or your turkey. It's their job. So just ask them, and so maybe someone will be nice enough and just do it for you. So you're going to take the rest of the marinade and just pour it all over your chicken. I'm going to pop this into a 400-degree oven for 40 minutes. Y'all know nothing will happen until after 40 minutes. This is what the chicken looks like after 40 minutes. You know, it's okay. Not looking too bright, you know. And now I'm just going to brush it with some butter as well as the juices in the pan. I'm going to put it all over the chicken. And at this point, you're going to start basting your chicken or your turkey every 10 minutes. Every 10 minutes for at least 3 or 4 times until you're satisfied with the color as well as the internal temperature reading 165. So this is what the chicken looks like once it was done. So beautiful, so pretty, and perfect. My total cook time on this chicken was 1 hour and 10 minutes. So I hope you guys just make this recipe. It's good. So now I'm just gonna cut it. Look at this, y'all. Look at it. Ooh, I didn't even have to put no effort into it. It comes right off. It's so moist. It's so delicious. And it was perfectly cooked. The veggies are perfectly cooked too. As you can see, they're still holding their shape, but they're tender and soaked up all the beautiful juices. So I'm just going to put some sauce all over it. And then another thing is, look how thick and juicy the sauce is. I didn't do nothing to it. So this is my husband's plate. I also made a salad and put it on the side. And I just put some dressing. And this is his dinner tonight. So yeah. And now I'm just going to taste it and let you guys know what I think about it. So this is my little tiny plate that I made. I also made some cranberry sauce. This recipe is also coming out. It will be out the same exact day as the chicken. And I'm just going to put some right on a piece of chicken. First of all, look how moist the chicken breast is from that chicken. Like, I can't. And with the combination of the cranberry sauce, it was just out of here. Like, you'll be out of here if you make this. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And I'll catch you on my next video. Bye, you guys.